Hello guys and welcome to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be learning how to fix multiple devices problem on Play Store. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Play Store. So whenever you try to install a new app on Play Store, you see the option of installing it on multiple devices. So these devices are all the devices that you are logged in on the same Google Play account. So to simply remove these multiple devices to show up from your Play Store, you're going to go ahead and open your preferred browser. Then on your preferred browser, Google search Google Play Store, or on the search bar type Google Play Store. Now if you simply tap on the first link, it will redirect you to the app installed on your mobile. However, you need the browser site to open, so go ahead and long press on it and tap open in new tab. Now go ahead and visit that new tab, and as you can see, the Google Play Store online version has opened. Now go ahead and tap on the profile icon that appears on the top right corner of your screen. Over here you'll be able to see library and devices. Tap on it. If you scroll the nav bar to the left, you'll be able to see devices option at the end of the list. This shows all the devices that you are logged into using this very Google account. So if you see multiple devices showing up on your Play Store, it is because you have selected all these devices to show up on your Play Store. So make sure that you're only selecting the device. As you can see, I have only my Redmi device selected, so the other devices do not show up when I try to install a new application on my mobile. Make sure that you only select one device, that is the one that you're currently using, and make sure to save changes. After that, go ahead and check your Google Play Store again. Check to see if you see multiple devices suggested to you again. Up until now, this issue should be fixed, and this is how you can remove multiple devices to appear on your Google Play Store when you try installing a new application on your device. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.